Most cars feel fine on paper, but after 30 minutes in traffic, your feeling tells a different story. Parking feels tighter than it should. Your neck leans forward. Your eyes work harder than necessary. Tesla knows this problem, and the 2026 Model 2 could not try to fix it with a bigger screen or a longer range. It fixes it by redesigning the car as one system. Shorter on the outside, easier on the inside, less wasted space, less physical fatigue every single day. And that is what this video breaks down. We will point out how Model 2's exterior and interior potentially work together to solve problems drivers actually live with. If this kind of real-world Tesla analysis helps you, consider subscribing. Support keeps this channel focused on practical value. 1. How could a 10% shorter exterior deliver up to 8% more usable interior space? Tesla's design shift is already visible. In late 2025, Tesla tended to move to fewer platforms and lower part counts. The 2026 Model Y refresh replaced many stamp panels with large front and rear castings, eliminating hundreds of parts. Tirones showed these castings embed a crash structure directly into the body, allowing shorter overhangs without reducing interior space. This is why a shorter Model 2 exterior could be realistic. For Model 2, this likely means an overall exterior length that is roughly 8 to 12% shorter than Model 3, mainly by trimming the nose and tail, not the cabin. The key point is that the wheelbase, which determines legroom, does not shrink at the same rate. With wheels pushed closer to the corners, thanks to simplified structures, Tesla can keep interior proportions efficient while making the car easier to maneuver. The real result is counterintuitive but measurable. Industry packaging data from late 2025 shows that this kind of layout typically produces about 6 to 8% more usable cabin space. That does not mean the car feels huge. It means more knee room, a flatter floor, easier movement inside the cabin, and better use of every inch that already exists. This is where exterior and interior design come together in a very real way. In dense cities like New York and Los Angeles, where typical curb parking space is about 18 to 20 feet long, and many residential garages are narrow and shallow, shortening a car by roughly 16 to 20, it makes daily parking noticeably easier. Fewer tight parallel parking attempts and fewer close calls in old garages reduce stress immediately. At the same time, the interior gains matter more for older drivers and families. Raising the seating position by about 1 in and improving door opening geometry reduces knee and lower back strain, which is critical when over 60% of U.S. drivers over age 45 report chronic joint or back discomfort. There is also a clear comfort and visibility benefit. A shorter front end allows the dashboard to sit several inches lower, improving forward sight lines by an estimated 5 to 8%. That means less neck movement, less eye strain in traffic, and less fatigue after 30 to 60 minutes of driving. These are not luxury upgrades. They directly affect how drivers feel every single day. For buyers on fixed or lower incomes in places like Las Vegas, this design approach also lowers long-term financial risk. Fewer exterior panels and simpler structures can reduce minor body repair labor time by about 15%, lowering unexpected repair bills, combined with roughly 2 to 4% better real-world efficiency from improved aerodynamics. This exterior and interior integration helps stretch limited household budgets over years of ownership, not just at the time of purchase. The takeaway is simple. Model 2 is not being designed to look smaller. It is being designed to waste less space. By shrinking the exterior intelligently, Tesla can make the interior more livable, more comfortable, and easier to use in real American cities. That is the kind of design efficiency that matters long after the first week of ownership. Before continuing, Have you ever struggled to park in a tight garage or narrow street even though your car doesn't feel big inside? Just simply share with us by commenting parking if parking stress is your daily headache, or space if you care more about comfort and legroom. 2. Why could a 15% reduction in exterior panel complexity translate into a flatter floor and easier daily use inside? This is another place where exterior and interior design are directly linked, not stylistically, but structurally. Since late 2025, Tesla has been pushing aggressive part count reduction by replacing many small stand panels with large structural castings. Music. This has been reflected sharply in the 2026 Model Y refresh. In recent manufacturing disclosures and third-party tier-owns, this approach has been shown to eliminate several hundred individual body components per vehicle. When the exterior structure becomes simpler, the interior benefits immediately. Joints and reinforcements around the wheel arches and underbody allow the floor to be flatter and the cabin layout to be more open. Packaging studies from 2025 show that removing traditional crossmembers and layered panels can lower floor height by roughly 0.8 to 1.2 in compact electric vehicles using integrated cast structures. That difference sounds small, but in daily use it matters. A flatter floor and a step in height reduced by about 0.8 to 1.2 in lowers knee bend during entry and exit, which directly reduces joint load. This is especially important when more than 55% of U.S. drivers over age 45 report chronic joint stiffness or limited mobility in National Health and Mobility surveys conducted in 2025. In real terms, it means getting in and out of the car feels noticeably less tiring after routine trips like grocery runs, medical appointments, or school pickups. This also changes how space feels inside. With fewer structural intrusions, seat rails can be repositioned by roughly 0.5 to 1 inch. Footwell depth increases and usable leg movement improves. For families in cities like New York and Los Angeles, where average household trips involve multiple short stops per day, this means a compact car that can still accommodate child seats, mobility aids, or bulky shopping without passengers feeling boxed in. This is also financially beneficial. Fewer exterior panels and simpler underbody structures reduce the number of components exposed to curb strikes and low-speed parking damage. Insurance and repair industry data from late 2025 shows that vehicles with lower exterior panel complexity reduce minor body repair labor time by approximately 10 to 15%. For buyers on fixed or lower incomes, this directly lowers the risk of unexpected repair bills over long-term ownership. Tesla is not simplifying exterior to make the car cheaper looking. It is simplifying the exterior so the interior becomes